In today's video, I'm going to teach you the 5 ClickUp best practices for your business. These tried and true strategies will help your team maximize their ClickUp experience, ensuring consistency and visibility across all your projects. First up, let's talk about creating a consistent hierarchy. Now, ClickUp is known for its robust structure, which can be incredibly powerful when used consistently. It's essential to define when to use a space, which could represent a department, a folder for organizing specific projects, and a list for your actionable tasks. By clearly defining this hierarchy, you'll make navigation and reporting straightforward and more manageable for everyone involved. It acts as a roadmap that guides team members through their workload easily and efficiently. Moving on to our second practice, using templates for standard tasks. We all know that inconsistent tasks can lead to mistakes, and that's something we all want to avoid. By implementing task templates for those repeatable processes, you establish a uniform standard. This involves pre-populating subtasks, assigning them to the right people, and setting up custom fields where necessary. The advantages here are twofold. It saves a significant amount of time and prevents errors from creeping into the workflow. With templates in place, your team can spend more time focusing on what truly matters. Next, let's dive into the use of custom fields for reporting. Custom fields are a game changer for data-driven reporting, and utilizing them can vastly improve your project analysis. By tracking critical business data, like client priority or budgeted hours, using these fields, you're setting yourself up for success. This practice allows you to enable powerful filtering and create informative dashboards tailored to your specific metrics. It helps transform your raw data into actionable insights that can drive your business forward. Our fourth best practice focuses on leveraging views for context. ClickUp offers various ways to view the same data, accommodating different team members and roles effectively. For instance, a project manager might find the Gantt chart view invaluable, while a writer might prefer using the calendar view. Saving specific views for different roles is crucial as it refines focus, ensuring that team members only see what they need. This tailored approach prevents information overload and boosts productivity. Finally, we come to automating repetitive tasks. Automation is your ally when it comes to improving efficiency and minimizing human error. By using automations to handle status changes or handoffs, you eliminate tedious, manual steps. This not only keeps your workspace clean and focused, but also allows your team to concentrate on more complex, value-adding activities. Implementing these 5 best practices in ClickUp will undoubtedly streamline your processes, enhance your team's productivity, and facilitate smoother project management across the board. Apply these tips consistently, and you'll be well on your way to mastering ClickUp for your business. Thanks for watching, and happy ClickUp planning!